We've been using the OJT program because we find it's very beneficial to us as a small manufacturer. We've been able to go ahead and find people on the outside that might not have the experience we're looking for, but to be able to go ahead and interview them and find they have good work skills, they have good attendance, they have the basic things that we're looking for, but they don't have the skills that we need to go ahead and come into the company. By using the OJT program for a period of time in the beginning of it, it allows us to be able to go ahead and train them and be reimbursed by the state. It's a win-win for the individual, and it's a win-win for us as a company.